Hello children, welcome back to calculus. Now we will do the exercise 1.2. First question. Questions I write here. First question 140. That is, express each number as a product of its prime factors, prime factorization. So 140, that we will do the prime factorize. Then 140 is an even number, so 2 is definitely a factor. Then 2 dividing, then we get 70, then again 2, 35, then again 35, then 2 is not a factor, so 3 we check, 3 also not a factor, then we take 5, that is 7 and 7 a prime number. So 140 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, that is 2 times, so we can write 2 square into 5 into 7. Then second question 156. In this way we can factorize. 156 is an even number, so 2 is a factor. Dividing with 2, 7 times 14, then 16, 8 times, then again even number with 2, 3, 9, then now 2 is not a factor, then we check 3 is a factor, so 3 right here, then 1, 3, then 13 is a prime number, so 13 outside 1. So 156 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, which can be written as 2 square into 3 into 13. And next, third question 3825. That also we can factorize 3825. Then this not an even number, so 2 is not a factor. Then we check 3 is a factor or not. Then divisibility test of 3 is adding the digits and it is divisible by 3. The whole number is divisible by 3. We can add 5 plus 2 7 plus 8 15 plus 3 18. So 3 is a factor of 18. So this number also divisible by 3. So 3 here. Then 1 times 3, 8 2 times, then 22 7 times, then 15 5 times. Again with 3, 4 times, then 2 times, 5 times. Then 3 is not a factor, so we take 5, the next prime number, then 8 times 40, then 2 remainder 25, 5 times. Again we take 5, then 1 times 5, 35, so 7 times 35. 17 is a prime number, so 17 taken outside. So this can be written as 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17, that is equal to 3 2 times, so 3 square into 5 2 times, 5 square into 17. Fourth question 5005. So 5005 we can factorize. Definitely 2 is not a factor, then 5 plus 5 10, so 3 is also not a factor, then taken 5, then 1 0 0 1. So here also 5 is not a factor. Next prime number is 7. 7 a factor? Yes. 7, 1 times 7, then 30, 4 times 28, then 21 3 times. 7 is not a factor, so the next prime number 11. 11 is a factor, 1 times, then 33. So 3 times. So 13 is a prime number, so 13 taken outside. So 5005 can be written as 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Then fifth question 7429. 7429. Then dividing. Then we know that 2 is not a factor. Then 3, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 4, 15 plus 7, 22. So 3 is not a factor. Then 5 also not a factor. Then 7 is not a factor. Then 11 also not factor. Then 13. We can divide, then remainder not equal to 0. So 13 also not a factor. Then next prime number 17. 17 is a factor. So 17 we write here. 17 how many times? 5 times 85. So 17 4 times 68. Then balance 6, then 62, then 4 times not going, 3 times 51, then 62 minus 51 is 11, and then 9 bring down 119, how many times? 7 times. 119. 17 is not going, so next 19. 19 2 times 38, then 5 is the remainder, then 7 bring down 57. 19 into 3 is 57. Now 23 is a prime number, so it is taken outside. Then we get this number is equal to 17 into 19 into 23. Clear? Then second question, find LCM and HCF of the following integers and verify LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. We know that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So first question, 26 and 91. 26 and 91. So using prime factorization we can find LCM and HCF. Then after that we can verify. For verifying, first we find out the LHS left hand side, then find out the RHS right hand side. And if LHS equal to RHS, it is verified. Then first one 26, then 26 prime factorizing 2, then 13. 13 is a prime number, so here 13 taken outside. So 26 equal to 2 into 13. Next 91. So 91, not an even number, so if 3 is going on, 3, 9 plus 1, 10, so 3 is not a factor, then 5 is not a factor, then 7, 1 times 7, 21, 3 times, again 13 a prime number. So we can write 7 into 13. Then we can write HCF. HCF is the smallest power of each common factor. Here 2, here 7, here 13, here 13. So only 13 is the common factor, so 13 is the HCF. Then LCM is equal to greatest power of each common factor in the included numbers. So here the greatest power of 2 is 2 and 13, 13 and 7. So we can multiply 13, 2 7s are 14. So 14 into 13, 3 4s are 12, 3 into 1 3 plus 1 4, 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1, adding 2 8 1. So LCM is 182. So we know that LCM into HCF is equal to product of numbers, and this we want to prove, that is the left hand side LHS equal to LCM into HCF. That equal to LCM is 182 into HCF is 13. So we can multiply 182 into 13. 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 4 here, 2 here, 3 1s are 3, plus 2, 5. Then next 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 8, 8, 1 into 1, 1, 6, 4 plus 2, 6, 8 plus 5, 13, 1 here, then 2. So the answer is 2, 3, 6, 6. So next RHS equal to product of numbers. That equal to, what are the numbers? 26 into 91. That also we can multiply 26 into 91. 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 2, 2. 9 6 are 54. 5 here. 9 into 2, 18 plus 5, 23. Then adding we get 2, 3, 6, 6. So we can write LHS equal to RHS. Hence or therefore verified. Therefore verified the equation. Therefore verified the equation, or verifying this equation LCM into HCF is equal to product of numbers. Clear? Then the second question, 510 and 92. So 510 and 92 we can factorize. First 510 even number, so 2, 2 times 4, then 11 5 times, then 10 5 times. Again 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2, 12, so 3 is a factor, 3 take outside, 8 3s are 24, 15, then 5 times. Then next 5, 1 5 is 35, 17, then 17 is a prime number, so we take 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Then next 92. 2, 4 times 8, then 12, 6, then 2, 23. So 23 is a prime number, so we can write 2 into 2 into 23. That is 2 square into 23. Next LCM. LCM is the highest power of each common factor. So here 2 square. 2 highest power is 2 square. Then 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. So 2 square is 4. 4 into 3 12. 12 into 5 60. Then 60 into 17 into 23. So 17 into 23 we multiply. 3 7s are 21. 2 carrying. 3 into 1 3 plus 2 5. Then 2 7s are 14. 1 carrying. 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3. Then 1 5 plus 4 9. 3 91. Then again into 6. 1 6 are 6. 6 9s are 54. 5 carrying. 6 into 3 18 plus 5 23. And then that's 0. So the answer is 2 3 4 6 0. Then HCF. HCF is the smallest power of each common factor. So here 2 square, here only 2. No other common factors are there. So HCF is 2. So LHS equal to LCM into HCF. That equal to 2 3 4 6 0 into 2. That equal to 0. 6 2s are 12. 6 4s are 8 plus 1 9. So 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Then RHS equal to product of numbers. That equal to 510 into 92. So 51 into 92. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. 9 1s are 9. 9 5s are 45. So 2 9 5 plus 1 6 4 6 9 2 then 0. And that equal to 4 6 9 2 0. So here LHS and RHS are equal. So we get LHS equal to RHS. Hence verified the equation. Verified. Okay. Then next 336 and 54. Third question. Then 336 and 54 prime factorize 336. 336 that is even number, so 2. 1 times 2 13. 6 times then 8. Then again 2 8 4. Again 2 4 2. Again 2 2 1. Then 3 7. Then 7 1. So this we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. That equal to 2 how many times? 1 2 3 4. 2 raised to 4 into 3 into 7. Then next 54. Again even number, so 2 27. Then 3 9. Again 3 3 3 1. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 times. So 2 into 3 cube. Now we can write HCF. HCF is the smallest power of each common factor. 2 raised to 4. Here 2. So only 2 we write. Here 3. Here 3 cube. So smallest power is 3. So 2 into 3 6. Then LCM is the greatest power of each common factor include. 2 raised to 4. Here 2. So we write 2 raised to 4. Then 3 cube. Here 3. So 3 raised to 3 into 7. So 2 raised to 4 is 16. Then 3 cube equal to 27. 3 into 3 9 and into 3 27 into 7. Then we can multiply 16 into 27. 7 6 are 42. 4 carrying. 7 into 1 7 plus 4 11. 2 6 are 12. 1 carrying. 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3. Then 2 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. Then into 7. 7 2s are 14. 1 carrying. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22. 2 carrying. 7 4s are 28 plus 2 30. So here the answer is 3024. Then next we know that the equation that is for verifying LCM into HCF is equal to product of numbers. So LHS that equal to LCM into HCF. LCM is 3024 into HCF is 6. Horizontally we can multiply. 6 4s are 24. 2 carrying. 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14, 1 carrying 6 into 0 0 plus 1 1, then 6 3s are 18. Then RHS equal to product of numbers, that equal to, what are the numbers? 336 into 54, that equal to 336 into 54. 4 6 are 24, 2 carrying 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14, 1 carrying 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. And next 5 6 are 30, 3 here, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18, 1 here, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. Then 4 4 8 plus 3 11, 1 carrying 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8, that is 18144. So LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. Now in this exercise 1.2, first and second questions are over. Then the balance questions we will do the next session. Okay, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.